Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I want to talk about festive Christmas things you can do in Florida for 2021. So even though it doesn't feel like winter in Florida, there are tons of ways to celebrate the holidays. I have lived here for 6 years, and with all the different events going on, I hardly miss the snow. So I wanted to do a video about the little things you can do here to make you feel Christmassy coming up now. So today's video is going to be about South Florida Christmas things to do. So if you want to celebrate the holidays without any chance of feeling the cold, head south for Christmas on warm, sandy beaches. This area rarely gets a chilled this time of the year, so you can relax in the sun while still getting a taste of the holidays, okay? So Miami has the most South Florida Christmas things to do, but you can find festive events from West Palm Beach to Key West. So here are a dozen ideas for the holidays happening in South Florida. So the very first thing I want to share with you is Santa's Enchanted Forest at Hialeah. So for a Christmas-themed carnival with rides, shows, lights, and treats, Santa's Enchanted Forest is one of the biggest events near and close to Miami. So now in Hialeah this year, this seasonal amusement park is fun for all ages. It opens up right after Halloween, and it costs about like $30 per person to get in. Highlights include the light displays, giant Christmas trees, and carnival rides. The next thing I want to share with you is the Grinch Grotto at Aventura. So starting after Thanksgiving, head to the Aventura Mall near Miami for a Grinchy holiday experience. Here kids can visit the Grotto of the Grinch and get a photo with him. There are plenty of cute Grinch decorations to see from Dr. Seuss, themed gifts, and other Christmas shoppings. If you're close to Miami, then go to the Snowfall at the Dolphin Mall in Miami. Okay, for a taste of winter, head to the Dolphin Mall. Starting a little bit after Thanksgiving, the Ramblas Plaza becomes a winter wonderland with decorations and snowfall nightly. Here you can also meet Santa and enjoy festive music. The other thing I want to share with you is decorations at the Vizgaya Gardens in Miami. Though it's beautiful all year round, no doubt that during the holidays you can experience the Vizgaya Museum and Gardens decorations to perfection. It's so beautiful. Check out their website for exclusive evenings and tours. At night you can see like different lightnings and a Christmas tree and more. This experience is also included tour guides to share the history and holidays at Vizgaya. There's also a food truck on site selling holiday treats. Yum! If you're a little bit more out west, close to the West Palm, you gotta go to the Holiday in Paradise at West Palm Beach. Okay, many of the Palm Beach shopping areas are decorated beautifully, so many Christmas themes. But the Holiday in Paris, also known as Sandyland, is the best of them. Hands down, the Palm Beach waterfront, starting after Thanksgiving, to see the 35-foot tall sandy tree decorated with lights and projections. Here you can find plenty of photo ops, music, entertainment. During the day, you can check out local vendors, and at night, you see the light show. It's so amazing. It's just something different, only in Florida. It is a wonderful place to walk around and get into the holiday spirit all month long. It's so great. If you're closer to Fort Lauderdale, then check out the Holiday Lights water taxi in Fort Lauderdale. Starting at the beginning of December, the Fort Lauderdale water taxi offers a Holiday Lights cruise along Las Olas. So with the purchase of around like $30, you can float by the decorated mansions of Fort Lauderdale and take a site and take the sights. The cruise lasts an hour long and includes live holiday music and a cash bar. Get ready for the drinks, guys. I get invited to this a lot, the Meisner Park Holiday Tree Lighting and Boca Raton. So the weekend before Thanksgiving, locals look forward to the annual holiday tree lighting ceremony at Meisner Park. This is a family fun event which carnival rides, an ice skating ring, and performances take place. So the tree light lit hourly to much fanfare with music and a light show. Afterwards, you can just enjoy the local dining and shopping around Meisner Park. It's great. So the last thing in like Palm Beach County that I want to share with you can do for Christmas is the Very Merry Mondays at downtown Delray Beach, okay? So to spread the holiday cheers throughout Delray Beach, Merry Monday highlights a different downtown each Monday evening for a Christmas street party. How great does that sound? Each week, a different area will be open to pursue with decorations, singing, and holiday treats. The local merchants will also be offering specials, so it's a great time to get in your small business shopping. It's so great. I mean, if you know downtown Delray Beach, you can just walk down the street and you have right and left different shoppings and different little merchants that, sell. And it's just like a great experience. So just to sum it up a little bit too, is a little bit that you can do in general in Florida, not just South Florida, but in general Florida for Christmas is wherever you're located, north, south, middle, wherever. You can usually find some versions of these events in any town across America, often with their own unique spin. From doing a Christmas-themed 5K run, seeing a holiday performance. These are cherished traditions my family used to enjoy in different areas too. I always when they were here 2019 for Christmas, and we used to see so many things for Christmas. So one of the things I want to point out is the holidays at the zoo. So they started doing different things. So there are many zoos in Florida, all celebrating their own way. So you can enjoy jolly days and the weekends before Christmas, where you can see animals receive holiday gifts or different decorations, or like the zoo lights up at night. They have different lights everywhere, so you can basically see the animals and see the lights. It's just a great experience. But the most that I see what people do here in Florida is just festivals of trees, like different tree lightnings. So one of the favorite Christmas things to do in Florida is checking out the Festival of Trees the weekend before Thanksgiving usually. They do these all over, and you can find plenty in Florida. For small donations, you can view tons of Christmas trees, all decorated to different themes or, different hours, different styles. Some of them have like a little party going on. They have food trucks going on, sometimes just the tree lighting, but different light shows with music. It's just great. So other things which is like super up and coming here in Florida is holiday themed runs. You can do with cooler weather and the Christmas themed 5Ks, you can do such fun ways to celebrate. I think the best way of just everybody's wearing like Christmas and Santa outfits and just doing 5K runs and donate, to different charities. It's just like a great experience, and I just experienced this here down in Florida. It's just amazing what people do. Another thing I want to point out, since we are so close to the water and surrounded by water everywhere, the Christmas boat parades. Such a huge thing here in Florida, and everybody is like storming to go see them. So for locals, many say one of their favorite Christmas things to do is to go to a boat parade. Many boaters will decorate with lights, and I saw already a couple, and display them and go. You can go watch them just by the water, wherever you are. I've seen events like going on at Cacao Beach, Daytona Beach, Tampa, but some of them even here in Boynton Beach, Delray Beach. where even just like I said, locals or boaters, they just decorate their boats and then just float around. You can hear the bump in the music already. It's just like people are trying in this nice hot weather to just get into the Christmas spirit, and it's just a super nice experience. So this is it, guys. I just want to share with you a couple things that you can do in Florida to get into the Christmas spirit, to feel the holy jolly going through your blood. So if you found value in this video, I would love for you to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button and bell notification button so you get notified when I drop new videos. I've been doing more of those. Make sure to check out my other videos to see what's going on in the real estate market in South Florida. And yeah, stay tuned, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video next week. Bye bye.